would this water jug be sucking itself in? Like, I don't understand that. It wasn't out in the heat. It just like sucked itself in. The fuck? This is so cute. Okay, so I could kind of tell you anything, but I'm gonna tell you the truth because I always want to be truthful with you and I want you to believe me. About 6 months ago, whenever I made that one video, I welded that diff. Or I welded the diff on the E30. And I shouldn't have, because all I had to use was a flux core welder, and I suck at welding. That right there is enough not to do it. But I'm patient, like always. My friend said he would come over and do it for me in a week. He just didn't have time. I wanted to do burnouts, I wanted to do skids, and I wanted to make videos. So I said, fuck it, and I tried to do it. But I fucked up. Like, I can put two pieces of metal together, but when it needs to be very strong and really, really strong, like in a roll cage and in a differential, let a professional do it, because I'm about to show you what happens when you don't do it the right way. This is how you don't do it. So what happened was I was coming home from work and I got a little hot boy in me, pulled that handbrake, hit the throttle, and she just said clunk. I slid off the road just a little bit, took the exhaust off of it, so we're gonna have to fix that. Now, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. It's gotta be. It went clunk. And then I drove it home, and the differential's open now because it won't do a burnout anymore. I shouldn't even have tried. I want to set the camera down, but I want you guys to see if this stuff's like metal coming out. Oh my God. Captain Insano put this one on. There's some metal flakes in there, wouldn't you? to show you, but see that gouge in this plate? Look, clearly no penetration along that edge at all. You can't see it, it won't focus on me, but definitely see how some of these teeth right here eating up. That one right there, and that one over there. They still mesh somehow, the axles still slide, and this gear, which is the important one, looks perfectly fine. So, spin around to make sure. Put magnets in these differentials. Look at this. I want to touch it with something like that. That's all metal. Metal shavings. Tell me these things can't take a beating. Look at this, man. The differential doesn't look destroyed, so believe it or not, I'm gonna have that thing welded again. I'm gonna have it done by a professional this time, because that is not gonna happen again. So I'm gonna make another plate. I'm gonna take it to a pro. We're gonna weld that up, and we'll go from there. All I know is that that thing can take a beating, because I heard that thing get stuck in the gears. Like when I pulled it, and when I hit the throttle, it was like almost immediately it broke free, and that was that. It drove me home, made it here, it still works, so we're gonna weld it up again. They can just take a beating. I don't know why. Whoa, change the light, change the scenery. Okay, there we're back. So I think that might be the end of this video. I think that might be the end of this video, just because it's starting to get dark. I have some things I have to do. For now, we're waiting on parts for the S14. I got a sway bar coming. I got something I don't really understand coming. It's gonna make my computer, I'm gonna have a digital dashboard. That's all I know. And I can have it remotely tuned, which is awesome, because I need that where I'm at, out in the sticks. Yep, until next time, hopefully this video is at least 5 minutes long. We'll see. I love you. Like, comment, subscribe. We don't have any followers, so it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna give away the BMW at some point, one of these days, 10 years from now, whenever from now. Goodbye, see you later. Have a good one.